how to finish this dent right here. It's from somebody who actually worked on it prior. The hole that they drilled through the liner, and they also drilled obviously through the metal panel, right? Actually, I plugged it. I'm going to show you that this is tight right here. Keep it flat. This is what I'm going for. I'm going to open up this edge. I'm going to open up right here so it looks more like this. So I'm opening up that side like I told you. I'll go to the next side right where I was saying again before, and it's clean. It's starting to look like this out here. Now this is a Dent Craft tip. What I'm using is gaffer's tape over the steel. Looks like a BB underneath. Okay, you can push here. Just don't be pushing me over here in this tight area. Like reset this area right here. Bing, bing, bing. And that's exactly the area I'm going for. A bit low here. A little bit low there. Yep, right. Still probably got a little bit more work here, but look how nice and clean the right side is. And then there's the ball. Now that's the raw R4 I was talking about. And if you have Chewy inside there, you don't want that, because what happens with Chewy is that he'll crash your party and really make it messy. Look at that. I'm trying to go right there. Really fine tune it. Give it some more love. Let's check it. Tap down. Ooh la la. Bada bing, bada bang. Because tapping down is the name of the game, ladies and gentlemen. It is just as important as pushing. If you don't know how to reset by tapping down, you're going to be in a long, long battle. If you're new and you happen to see this video, make sure you watch Ground Zero PDR training. That's going to help you anchor the foundation on how to learn correctly. So if you haven't watched that yet, please go do that. I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.